a simple wire wrap to make a pair of Baroque earrings. Here I have marked a line on my pliers so that I know every single pair will be the same, the size of loop. If it was wider and I wanted a longer neck, I would use further up here, but I want them to be consistent. So I've done this, I've bent that, and then I use a round nose pliers, pair of round nose pliers. I've made a loop like this so that I know it's perfectly round, and the neck will be consistent for every single pair of earrings. And I keep turning it until I'm at the bottom, and if you want to continue, you can do so. You can use up a lot more, use longer head pins, and then I simply clip. There you have it. And each one would be consistent.